because one also oh yeah jide awaware under civil and ordinance aware nti eche say wo certificate ba nka original na nka wo de beba ba wo de copy na aba. Number 2 e wo senka before wo de certificate kro no ebeba Ghana no wo de ko Ghana embassy wo Germany no more authenticate because if you mind for so na eba nti omo beji atum so Ghana embassy na wo Germany omo no nim German for no mra because omo na ete Ghana embassy no wo Germany nti omo stamp so no more authenticate say ampa document we original papa represent Germany for ordinance ya ware na civil marriage no now the aba court anti mami say ware ye na customary marriage nti that lumba so ware odobroni aka wa na right or ware odobroni because so Abusuapanin be dia that is ampa odobroni ya ware no we fie fie ware na judge no sanka say we show video na that lumba ye won birthday party na se na to me was a video no because that lumba na kasa nim nipa na wawu no na numuton o se anti mami say wire na yire kan osan de odobroni no so chires odofo pa mantem e chese that lumba na kasa otia se no pa asumye wo ne mani mienu ntem na that lumba na kasa je mani mienu nyina tumuso mu nyina ye na yire
sese amame Akosua Serwaa sha ase wa manfo mo kasa na marriage certificate ni fake anasa court declare say enye authentic no ai Afia just nigga be say counterfeit eno yebisa se enkofo bi akeka bi no obechi wo mo ana de benti avimle de Afia Pokua enso abekasa wono so ne kasa ni chire mu na me hu se court no krampo ka se ma me no ne marriage certificate de buy ne sabi enye papa enti mbisa se obechi Afia Pokua na obesi wono nso so ebia na wacheche nsem ye ni avimle de Afia Pokua de ba court nsem de wo ya de obemu nchire mu yi amu ato ho ase enti Lumba ne mama Akosua Serwaa odobroni mu nsem ye koso yi ma marriage certificate ori kopie mu okoto obi a twetwe na srane abasa ka ne de no na vimle de Afia Pokua so ba abonti a obecheche no mamu ye de ame ate ordinance marriage ase eye na wa ma ya hu se de enti akọt ne ka se ma marriage certificate no enye authentic na reasons benti na omo de ka sa krata ne so nsem ba bi ese bibi hyehye na bibi hyehye no eno na me hu se a certificate we enye authentic anase eye fake vimle de Afia Pokua cheche mu ye borem yete ni nsem nyina aba
e court akasa high court no say anti mami Serwaa ne odobroni nyina mu ye kunafo nti omu nyina nye kunanye ye ntie dade numba na the high court judge no her ladyship Smith Arthur ejina so a kan nti na me pese obi abekwa akogina bebi akokasa etia judge no we the anti mami Serwaa na lose the case but court na say the ntia we lose ni say two things. Number 1 anti mami Serwaa certificate no enye original and or the buy or the copy ne buy nti no wakoti anti mami Serwaa na nkasa because one also o ye jide awaware under civil and ordinance aware nti eche say wo certificate ba nka original na nka wo de beba ba wo de copy na aba. Number 2 e wo senka before wo de certificate kro no ebeba Ghana no wo de ko Ghana embassy wo Germany no more authenticate because if you mind for so na eba nti omo beji atum so Ghana embassy na wo Germany omo no nim German for no mra because omo na ete Ghana embassy no wo Germany nti omo stamp so no more authenticate say ampa document we original papa represent Germany for ordinance ya ware na civil marriage no now the aba court what the back court Ghana no be man to me it said to me na krata ni kuta Germany no ba ni mienu nyina nti mama Serwaa anye ana judge say de ma obi asemba court na teach of our validity of our year na wona wo sie se ware under ordinance nti wo se wona wo prove se wadansie nie no hono na anti mami Serwaa anye because no na be ma na ware no enka tumi be mo se ampa ordinance aware and therefore that no mani tumi se nko be ware bi aka ne ho basa ha ne ma mienu na anti mami Serwaa ntumi anye to prove say na ware na ware wo Germany ordinance na ware na ware wo Germany civil marriage no eche say ware no ne that number ware as far as Abusuafo no ene amamra kwansotie ne eya amamra ware na say ya amamra ware na say customary marriage dia ene na be ma no right say otumi ware bebre kan because yen Africa ya amamra no Ghana ya amamra no say if you ware de be ma no when you be ware 10 ko betimi aware 10 nti court nka say eche say anti mami Serwaa ware yen customary marriage nti that lumba so ware odobroni aka wa na right or ware odobroni because so Abusuapanin be dia that is ampa odobroni aware no we fie fie aware Ena judge no sanka say we show video na that Lumba here on the birthday party na se na to me was a video no because that Lumba na kasa nim nipa na wawu no na numuton o se ante maame se waye na yire kan o san de odobroni no so kire se odofo pa mantem e che se that Lumba na kasa o ti ase no pa asumye wo ne mani miye ntem ena that Lumba na kasa je mani miye no nyina tumuso mu nyina ye na yire no nti eno eni tumi a court no e de ma video na that Lumba no because no so court ni sa video no to as admissible evidence. On for see case wey the way a judge na here asem no e be set bad precedent. There were other cases court so edi a watching in any case se case for so court e gina case so ne fire by ne corny ne tini ne nine ne bobre judge ne betimi aka the lawyers ka so betimi distinguish case no obetimi aka say case ni different obetimi ama other judgment e wo mu say ebenya persuasive influence but influence no court or high court na say other high court NFA bia circuit courts are other cases ebeko but said the make no court for case for court judge na ebeko no say betimi aka so be distinguish case no so obeka say that case ni different because cases bebre e court ya ma judgment bi ni odobro ni mu dey say e bi also a different the court betimi a distinguish nti enye yi only quarter okasa etitiri obia organa ye Supreme Court do okasa tunu wom because ono no court nyina magahoho ono ne court kese court ba time organa nti ono do okasa ena ye proper precedent say etitiri Court of Appeal etitiri high court etitiri circuit court etitiri court organa nyina but no cry Supreme Court kasa otumi sanse na no na court kasa na no ye kan sese enne de asanse san nti na te say asemfofo na court na ba beka no eno na ba ye president etchire obi ya e wo Ghana nti yenye careful case bia ye different nti case we enye hu bia sa but eno bi ese no court ko de say football na ase kotoko ne has enye de ba ko be wini ba ko be lose opeso obetimi ya appeal nti no nkola no ene wo say omohwe omo no mohwe how a ombetimi we will crime we ye no kwa hu manso ni o nti eba distribution and the will say say ni ebe che japade na eho ni ebe hu but ni gidi say that Lumba ya will nti will no so one here na so akwa subject of court sa I hope say nkosi sa mumbi
emema na mwaba na renga enkola nketo na mo pen muntie case we. This is the case of Tueku versus Rasta man akola keto a ondi 18 years oni 16 years kwa renga wa yire nane na koda anyem no girl na wo omehwa akola na so onhwe no onye akola no kwa wanye na case na akokot nti muntie ni ye court na say akola only 18 years in fact the case age for consent is 16 nti 16 only 16 na okoyire no na wone ne da na so wonyem apart from criminal case na no ye becho do akotum no se ba ne akola na kase busuafo kra sue for child maintenance akola no na didi esika onyem no ne hwem antenatal ne ade akola na ya wo no so na duane diapers ne ade no girl na nkasa so ubetua ne ho damages ye bebo ka wo ho nti muntie ne ye. I don't know why a member ni bitisa a mile ho and so mude my imagine nkola nketo awenga esisie nti so obefa sister penia obeto wig obeto ntade obeto we valentine ade nyina nti abro ni beye nkola nketo this case akola ni kit omo chesa fekra no okotro BC wan tro BC ni mpo wi na rasta hia no rasta dada no hwe de se na judge ne kan ne judgment no see akola oye impressionable so onim hwe nti ne be ma kan semba kutu na suma ofoso odo no so nya odo rasta wa twetwe bi kakra na ne sisi mu atopa no de ma akola 6 to 6 bu akola ya se guma ma wanyem no onyem ne wie ye ne yekobo na amane o se onye no akola ne wo fase wono kwade oye farmer asemisi wo gomua o ohiani wa aba wo dwen no ane wo fa bi afa akola na wo hwe no akonyem no na obetro BC no na ne papa ne so ohun se onyem obusa no na Afia akola na aka no kre eno so ya one rasta eno mo ne ko rasta fie omo ko man ko to rasta na nkasa na ekoto ne papa omo ka che ne papa na ne papa ne gitu mti papa na nkasa de very responsible man rasta no ne papa ne de nsa any 100 Ghana de buy some person be you when say anyin say na yo mobana rasa and they were told him your free case on court awama ye any substituted service omo ye still a boy na manage say court a friend ba kum ye ni nyina ba na rasta say oma nti akola de say wanyem no we used to know it say is this sad me wa akola ne fa no bo modern hwe no 9 months more we am say as of the time omo the case in court na akola na 5 months still rasta mba and almost you case no the case in court. Inti girl no cry because so you underage inti amremun so this 18 years want to mean file case or court. Inti so be file case na just obi obusua bi ana obi ginemu mawo and your friend omrem say next of friend. Inti ne wo fa no ginemu no the case in court makre. To ode ne court makra na court ne say omo dey so omo hwe child maintenance na wa broche bi ogano. Your child maintenance na the bema akola na court ne sisi niema bebre se akola ne hwem ne ade de ye akola ne beboa no ne momo san hwe bema no so se bia ne sika sem nti de bia se bema no oni sika court ntumi nko yire no chenchene ase bra betu 5000 because he bia na akola ne papa no oni kapre nti 5000 kre bia busa na onya but in this case rasta na ka se friend court no wamba nti what the court did ne se court ne bo rasta ne ka girl no ne nyem no so ye born in fact you hwe full judgment a mu wie case ni na court nsesen yes ampa ono na onyem akola no ne papa na agi atum e wo senka akola nyinse mu nyino hwe nyinse no hwe nti court say munti o mu amu de konkonti ma mu ntwe man akola ne na ne mponkyerene ansa na makosi o mpe ena obo de boy no se kane no AD11 e twen oba di mfie du no ayensene pe and then the 2001 and a dunsia near Senekete, Musankrofon near Kamasebno. Case in Coconduem, only Acolano comment and Abusumi be bit your 400 Ghana cities. Ama Colana wa wono. Afe a car, girl name Nina ya born who could so we are 85 months, 5.5 no 7,200. Boy neighbor Saj, oh no. O buatopan yansa wom okofa sister penny a wedi 30 something ke bi onu kra ye adwuma de beboa so sa broni be yesisi mu dane yesisi enti okofa cheap side eno ho kani enti eno so ya gene maintenance 7,200 akola ni nyinse no ena court nsa order say say girl no ye JSS ni no ye underage no koyire no ne die no koy criminal o abusuafo na according to abusuafo no say we de kodos to ko amfie o on does for no may part 2 of this one a court nsa order so ntwi ampathetica 5,000 Ghana cedis to ama girl no ne nanyem no I was saying school no nsa ento school no so se school no ntumi nto aso a o ma ne nko osua adwuma ne nyina be ma no ti wana topa e ka bebre because so be ya awenga munie nti antena omo ba ni na afo mu nyina mom na ye form family kwan DJK videos ya na se agi baby ya nkofo ka se sebe o mada pa da abonten no a o mo ne maidi mpaso agora ba abonten no esese nkomo report na ye chi nkofo no especially DJK also onim se na danfo bi na yesa no e was nka DJK report because you see oh yes I obetimi akoje between 10 years and 25 years so Ghana ye was Cyber Security Act the law is very clear na obi yesa ye bone kese nti na ye law we a new law kra Ghana ye pass ye 2020 ya na pass ye nti me pass ye nyina ye fam ne yesua bibi se sa de no obi ye bone kese law no principal law no or count section 60 subsection 4 and say whoever contravenes subsection 1 and subsection 2 commits an offense and is liable on summary conviction to a term of imprisonment of no less than 10 years and no more than 25 years. Nti DJK any hotel adena mbetna wo na nkofo share video because mo amaka say enye mo na mo share video which means nkrofo na ye nipa kra o share video na mrane say obi ni obi kodi mpaso agro as long as enye mo na ato no nipa na ato no oba na nyini bema na nyini omunyina wo consent enye moral case na court kan ti say DJK wo yire hotel wo yire no ni obi koda no enfa law no ho wanyini ena maye made a moral issue the law na mbem the criminal and na bone ena law no beka ho asem nti eno the moral issue the one na yire no betimi akọ mu no mo yire no betimi akọka law ne say obi ni obi koda private o de ba bonten na wo san yes o de bagigi ska say the na DJK ka say omo gini ska kra mo kotue bi no a offense say any crime any expiry date e was some call report na eche san krofo no ya amfa ne me bi say ya anya example a kofo be form ho adi na still omo de edi nkrofo na for omo de jiska yen started section 66 no of the law because the law section 66 nkomo share dem etre mu bebre section say a person shall not threaten to distribute by post, email, text, transmit by electronic means, say via TikTok and otherwise, and now they are to Snapchat, otherwise a private message, moving images, video, and now any person engaged in sexually explicit conduct with a specific intent to harass, threaten, DJ case omo threaten when chia omo beshe we yes see to harass the person, to threaten, to coerce, to intimidate, to exert undue influence on the person, especially to extort money or other consideration, or to compel the victim to engage in unwarranted activity or conduct. Until we bet me I say one fa only mean someone da me kwa koshe a offense. Subsection B no say actually to extort money. Say nkofo no magigi DJ case can now tell obi a wa threaten or no bet me de na call a offense. 66 subsection 2 is a person shall not threaten to distribute into who be say me kwa ko posti me share me leak video no oni pe bia o leak hotel dio DJ K dio esese omoko report mpacho DJ K ni hotel o de osu beje adwuma no kwa go and report. These are all offenses. Emfa ho se wa ye bone no ira asem de mu kofia no makoka hotel su kofia no ne ira akoka asem me no fa law no, but these are all criminal offenses. Court ne say o threaten say nipa na ma osika obekwa akoye share video na bone. Subsection 2 no, so if you threaten to distribute say obeka no text message kra say o send email na ma o yonko kra no kra offense, o send ni video offense, o di picture nko na send a offense, o di video no nko send a offense. So why yes o di hunhun nipa no de tete nipa no we metete no mama obi ehun say na yi ne da abonten no said omo ye hotel ani yi ne hu say omo tete to the extent hotel kra so onya obi gine nko afinisem. This is harassment, this is intimidation, and na law no kan wasem no. Subsection 2 clause A no say to harass, to coerce, to intimidate the person, to extort money. Wa mama may say to compel the person to do something, and now Akosua am pass ojisika onipa no wa ni nyina offense. Subsection 3 no say for the purposes of subsection 1 and 2 an intimate image can be a obi ada pada abonten or say bibia obe depicting in a way a obi say obi ahemu da ho obi bema kwakudo nso da ho ana ne to baabi ada ho ne to entem ho ne baabi aye hu video ne ma still court be hu say we could distribute intimate message. After so obi abia na ebia nipa no on share underwear ana baby asebi na yi akosua eyi eguso ne Pokua eguso ana bia ne Pokua na no nko na oyi kra still court be fa ne say we ade a enye ade e ba bonten ana ebia nipa ne sha atade ko atade we de mu ha bibi egu ho ma still court be fa say why offense. Subsection 4 is a person who contravenes subsection 1 and 2 commits an offense and is liable on summary conviction to a term of imprisonment of no less than 10 years and not more than 25 years. A serious offense. Minim the entire DJ KN hotel mu nyina yedin report to Kumasi police, report mo bia entwemu crime entwemu. Number 2, mo mema no so amone ma ko chedem mo ye bibia mo so mo record no make sure say oba na pene so we ne ma so African nya asem no say oba na pene so be ma na pene so na record no without the consent of offense. Section 67 say a person shall not with the intent to cause serious emotional distress so what share that me record it. So most more record na mo de jimu ani da chia no problem na mom o record say o pese o china o use tia ni pakro no o say with the intent to cause serious emotional distress, intentionally distribute or intentionally cause another person to distribute to go be on share or no the amount enough we go share. So Emrana 67 say wa commit offense because ye be hu say ade na se bi obi eja anan ade intimate private obi no mo ye ne dem nipa no reasonable expectation of privacy. So oba no kwa pene so say we de enya me no mienu nko antem na so fa ekire de komo wadanfo no distribute de ko to TikTok or de ko to Telegram or say Telegraph or say hwan yi or de ko to Snapchat ya so woni pakro no nso wa commit offense. Section 67 and a cancer nti wo ye wo laws bibre wo ho hotel any DJ KA asemia e ma ye nyina ye fa ho esu cyber security act bogus no muso mu bi cause nko focus mo na mota ye twa send me law no section 67 one say nipa na twa send wa a reasonable expectation say o twa send nko a wani nti actually woni ge ni jai na we so de koto Snapchat and now de koto Telegram o se Telegraph o se wan na wo boga no du ga na e be chew because o se nipa na send ade na ma wo na nipa no otiase se ye wo nko a no send ama wo a emra ne so reasonable expectation of privacy and it's a woni ni jai na wo ko share wo baby a wo boga na e be chew otiase and a hono wo boga na wo yes ano mra no subsection 2 ne say a person who contravenes subsection 1 commits an offense and is liable on summary conviction to a term of imprisonment of no less than 1 year and no more than 3 years nti wa we boga na obeye say twa send me obekọ akọhye and na de behunu na girl no na fa obeba ga na na e beche 1 year and 3 years wa tu hufo twa send me for no kana for boys in this year twa send me sa subsection 3 no or say for the purpose of this section serious emotional distress will share amani pan what it emotionally no e will be as what shed that butrim potege with the show no I go show am you say no go day plus me again na I go show am ti wa boat mu posa no ene ye becho because why mani pano girl na tete boy no so tete say na be man nipa no yem hihye no or high wa ferry na deyi hwe DJ KA ne hotel ama to the extent hotel class onya kra obegine nkwa frinisem and we classic indication of anxiety emotional distress o mani pana ye nervous why anxious na ni mogu ase ne sunsuma ba form wa brain crash sa no ye becho section 68 threat to distribute into the one ko share ba wo send nipa wo me share me de be to Telegram me de be to yi me ma wo me leak video no even wo hunu ati said the boy ni hunu DJ KA na wo boga no ko hunu girl ne say me ye wan ware minti wa di misika nti just because the girl ne wan ware won't threaten girl ne say wo be share ni intimate ni video wo be share picture kora amra ne say o say we nti na me ka say obi be threaten obi a report because section 69 is police for to me so beti me court akwaje order say wo de here ne say asumeti ne number ni omo do number ne beko omo de court order ne beko MTN na Vodafone na obi no makwa akwaje details and wo Ghana card now will pop up and they will come and pick you up. Section 69 the police will to me so mbekwa kwaje expertise order nti wo no ye mbeka ncho say police for the wasem ko high court kwaje order wo expertise nti chese wo nim because the why no wo hunu bi police for nim say danger court law no mo kwan say o mbetimi akọ kra wo ye mo wa mane ese court no makwa kwaje order nti utu fia ne aba abecho adan abra wakwa kwahye obi video adan abra wa threaten wo hunu obi so be share ni video mama ye nye careful Gen Z for aba unim say wono boyfriend wono fiancé wono girlfriend mo ye japade bia mato asase mato car na se mo enya anware a still o chefa na wo mu betimi agewade court beje wade ama this is the part 2 of Boating versus Serwaa and others because court no can sa case we no o cite niema mienu article 18 of constitution so bia wo right to say onya japade a o pe whether ono nko ana oni obi beka bom omo san koti conveyancing act ne say conveyancing act section 14(3) say nipa mienu ana de brosa mo ka bom na mo ta asase a emra ne fan say mo ye tenants in common na chere say enye joint tenant with the right of survivorship because some why joint tenant na chere say ba ku pe de waka no no fa ni nyina sa asase 100 plot kra de waka ne po fa ni nyina but court ne say conveyancing act no e masa presumption no say se mu mienu ana miensa o girlfriend o boyfriend o fiancé mo ye sembo ware mo enya ware na mo ka bo mu na mo to amra ne fa ne say eye mu mienu mu dia as tenants in common na just say wo de no obetimi ate efri ba akone de no ho de wade akọ aware ni nyama so enya ntua waje o chefa na o de ko boy no so betimi age ne chefa no so e de ko sa na mra ne fa nti sa mo mpese ebeye tenants in common e wo se mo ye asase no ho krata ye twro wo mu specifically say we a joint tenant with the right of survivorship anya sadia e mra fa as long as mo mienu miensa maka bo ma mato asase ana ma si dan ana mato dan no e mra fa say tenants in common na say wo de no wo girl no wo nya ne boy na waye wo chefa wo dan no betimi ayi efrim ade ay mo obi obetimi de ay will I de ache obi betimi aton be ma no so chefe wo betimi aton enye by force chinchine wo se wo ye wo yire kofo bebre wo sa adwen o my girlfriend me fiancé na ke pese ye worry asase o mean to me nkojo obetimi ajo ade. That is what the law is saying. Supreme Court for kan asase mu Boatin versus Serwaa and others. And until na say Supreme Court aware divorce cases e ba court ne ka say oba betimi ya na japade a be man ka ho be man so betimi ya na japade a na yire nka ho nti nya by force chinchine say wo no ukunu eja japade nti nya bibia wo be ye na ukunu wo chefa wo ene nya bibia ukunu so be ye na wo so wo chefa wo so ati ase nti obi abetimi aye ne dia obi nka ho na mom the court person o kire ne say the important is japade ye it's not necessarily premised on our no. So what I say nti say wo wako na bia wo ko China ne ade ba na wa wako ye wade a won kasa na wako ye wade be ma ne nka ho eno so nti na say wo yiri wo kunu wo fiancé o ni fiancé o mo ye asase ho paper mo nye careful about the wedding document bro for na ye dey tro asase no because say the Conveyancing Act ne kano mo no as joint tenants and mo no as tenant in common busa lawyer wo say o fa lawyer enya ade a say when you scabro so nti na o fa lawyer o necessary say wunya lawyer and a necessary say wunya lawyer wo ho adaje because obekire mu de emra no kire say ka say mo ye joint tenant because mo ye joint tenant anya brofo keke joint tenant ni kire say wo ne boyfriend wo no girlfriend wo no yire na moto asase na musi dan na e dan no ba ma ni ho ba na fa oba no su ni ho a be ma ne dia automatic and it is a joint tenants but emrani ka se mo ye tenants in common e che say be man ne oba no mumienu e modia se ba ku wu a enye automatic say ni nyina akọ oba no ho ana ni nyina akọ be man ho da bi e che say mo chefa no obi a de betumi achem ne de we di ama we ne de we di ama we nti be man betumi aka say me de me de me ye will otiase no ko nwuye no betumi aka say dan we me chefa wom no me ye will e de ama e bia me wo fa ase me ye will de ama me nua me ye will the mama danfo betimi aya ma obi a ope ena eche se we tenant in common oba no so betimi aka se me ye will ama me ma me ye will ama me nua no me ye will ama obi a ope because ene dia and you can decide whoever to give it to nti aka se joint tenant emra no e wo serious implication enye normal nti nkrata no for asase na mo dan na monye careful se mo wo lawyer ne pacho having a lawyer enye luxury. And you say when you scab so now the whole lawyer there be make sure sort of nasi. In fact, as asimu yesan will be free assignment any lease. What I say, what assassin here the mouse lease and I the mouse assignment. Ni nyina illegal term of us won chase enye brofo keke ne yetru Bishop obinim ne yire Florence obinim case me bom pai say en lande wo court because anya sa e be yet say the lawyer for friend no locus classicus e be change Charles Nyama ko ni ne divorce case because niema Bishop obinim na nkasa keka niema wagye atum bone a wagye atum no and now we niema on internet so any nyina can be used as evidence against you in court. In fact, there was a case recently, Kesson Smith versus Osei, Anna versus Anai, Minta versus Yenchi, Mensa. There are so many cases of divorce, a court, a Supreme Court is saying, also prove say, and the matrimonial causes act no law na our area so no also prove say our yen no go at titia pansama any ye a break it down beyond reconciliation. But key amongst them, they say, what's our church say, there's unreasonable behavior. So, Bana na Bemano, but that's when the Nya Fantin Becado or Monyo. And to learn it sana any. Into prove our not to tap on some cake. I go away and also Coca say, Nipana da Subandia dear one and it's not any. Now, Sasubana law no matrimonial causes at law the same. Say, dear Bemana Coboy Jamai, Hona Bishop of Binimas and the Bum. Cause on one year to Wacoboy Jamai. What I say, inti Wacoboy Jamai adultery. And I say, what to a jaw desertion. And I say, be our death to bind be a say near date say unreasonable behavior. Anybody say, only a banana, only bearman a unreasonable behavior. So, in a Anna versus Anna case, and say, court to who say, my man, only Papa Grand, I bear 5 years. What a Papa to say, Obano respect Obano so on penal. Into court who say, no, whether unreasonable behavior. Into a bini man can say no more sem, so for Bishop, while no more sem. Videos nina can be used as I mean can say omo ko jaide. I'm just saying say you use the esua dey say obetumi use e dey a dance because one wakoka won't e dey a dance saso mesi dey okoka yemi o dey wa yemi na mpa say your evidence cross wakotwempna ne ade e dance for beba it will be it will be kind of what was some nanny be used to the achechero so and na say our reject case is a court na court since a ban japade a hma obi an show contribution so contribution is say o hwem kwala contribution una o hwefie ni ade na bishop obi nim na again on one interview no one can say ye show no bishop and why you obi nim ya na yere Florence obi nim wo mbe 50%. Enti e ban say ye church japade an ko obi nim aso be ye rough wa wonu wa admit say oba na kan contribution so wa wonu mponji ntumu a obi enso nim obi nim ba so osoro nim fie nwom oto ye ene say de nwom hete ye obi enim the court can put a value on how much he made, how much contribution and no matter what to subsequently ene say ebedu bra bi ma mini jait anwom oto ni nyina ho kotena Spain because as say wo say onkotena nkohwe nkola no say de ba kola ne ba ko bo football ho betime ni nyina no eye ne sacrifice because na nka wanko ena otena ye no ye adwuma ne ade na otwa anwom mo anke dia ban na we nya hate bed o ni nyina obetime dia argument ena say de owo obi nim kan say so nim fie ba ye ne ma aburuso be pejai na ye big nti ye ma bebre wa o ye betime dia ye evidence as contribution if you ade your wasori cry oba o no gine mu no to nwom ne ade nyina obetime dia ye contribution and I sorry ni muso na onam na oye japade bebre cars ye obi nim 1 obi nim 2 obi nim 3 ni nyina she can prove contribution because ono dey from day 1 enti me bomb pie sen cocots by cocots so ye besua bibi bebre ewu but we are lesson to obi aso say yeah na yenye careful about data footprints that we leave near my can on social media because obi nim kra no wo kra to ba obeda na di na no ya se wakogina sorry them akoka se wu a ma oyere mmabi ma abusuafo mmabi eyo ma ene asori so what I say me was say when ngan ko betimi no yira tena dem aka na wompam but we decided so be kana abonti no ko betimi the evidence say reasonable behavior no be no because onene nkasa na kasa na onene nkasa ni jama say otete because in one of the cases yirechi mental versus yirechi court no ko team ma me be o chere family law Mrs. Suing ono your authority or chere lawyers nyina family law na ma many show ni book rim say you can't reasonable behavior I was saying panete to work do point to say oh high apprehension we yam so hunu kwa na yam so enu say ubetime agina so nti wa obi nim nankasa onsama waka ene ne ma wa say ubegina bonte na koka se ma oba ne ma oba no kwa betima ka say sa asem nti ama ohun kwa na high o tete ye de ma bebre susu say we your girl eno krotia na we nya depression or tete ni no betime the evidence to prove unreasonable behavior enti bishop sa asem na nkedi so be kan wa bond because no one him so you betimi afre no dem na naka na be kan wa bond enti oyire de classy woman what the woman did very classy ne say abontin na ugina ya wo kan asem no hwa no no so ko gina no yi wa no say yankopon sha afei na you see and in a classic mode what samba say ada na oyire na mfre wo so nim so betimi afre oyire na kan wo dem ana ko gina so dem na ko enti e ho no proportionality we a principle of proportionality baby a ko gina ya na wo kan asem hwa no no so gina no yi wa no and no kwa was very diplomatic about it yankopon sha na wa wo nim say oyire nso ubu be because utembe ono so ubube ono so tebe nti obube nti na wan kase nti a ono this is a very interesting issue which is not and just law keke there are so many social issues that is playing into one asemna first bishop obi mi ko kan yen because body need o ye den abusuafo na beba befa enya de obi nim this unless abusuafo no out of respect say oh okay wa kan yen de ye nya body no man nkrofo but what is even the guarantee say that obeton because obi nim obi mompai so be free obi a obedi be 80 ebi kwa no wasori we ni ho ebi asori no kwa no wadan ni university nti sa asem de o kan no wa you know nti ye mompai sa asem we court because enya sa ejapade ne de one shot Florence obi no one upper hand because contribution be o no betime prove contribution outside the law we dey law no kan so social issues member bebre ni ma bebre eto de bia when o partner o yire ana okunu o hia won no wa bob brown no wa enjoy life no na onam na o gallivanting na o ye niema afi bedu age na 50 something ni ade bia na afi na ahode na ba form kan ne bia otumi call rounds be ahia and then untumi nkosa rounds ni biemu no afi na wo panipa na attention but no wa manipa na you used to living her life without you and now living his life without you into utumi so binim say no ka say nka Florence mpon frame o penama no ne na bonkomo but mpana twa na o twe ne ntem nti why man na you used to living her life without you sua de mo
na
bia
say
o
we have him
sua de mo bia
no mama Akosua Serwaa marriage certificate ni de and the media dey so bi aka bi because the court ankasa ese e fake dia na just obi obeka bi no enye debe enye bone no e na ama na ba be che na adwen e dia fa ho me do fe mo ram e social media no so nsem foforo e koso no yetie bi e ba ye che ya adwen e comment section